Hey everyone, welcome back to NPL Technical. If you're a Minecraft player and you've been having trouble with Minecraft Realms on Bedrock Edition, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 10 effective solutions to get your Minecraft Realms up and running again. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Update Minecraft to the latest version. The first thing you want to do is make sure your Minecraft is updated to the latest version. Mojang frequently releases updates that fix bugs and improve game performance. To update, simply head over to your App Store or Game Launcher and check for updates. Installing the latest version might be all you need to fix your Realms issues. Tip: always keep your game updated to avoid missing out on new features and bug fixes. Step 2. Ensure a stable internet connection. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. Minecraft Realms requires a solid internet connection to function properly. If you're on Wi-Fi, try moving closer to your router or use a wired connection for more stability. Tip: running a speed test can help you check if your internet connection is fast and stable enough for online gaming. Step 3. Check for server outages. Sometimes the issue might not be on your end. Minecraft servers occasionally go down for maintenance or due to technical issues. You can check the status of Minecraft servers by visiting Insert Relevant Website or checking social media for any outage report. Tip: follow Minecraft's official Twitter account for real-time updates on server status. Step 4. Restart Minecraft and your device. A simple yet effective solution is to restart Minecraft and your device. This can help clear any temporary glitches or cache issues that might be causing the problem. Close the game completely, restart your device, and then launch Minecraft again. Tip: restarting your device can refresh your system and resolve minor software conflict. Step 5. Check Xbox Live PlayStation Network status. For console players, make sure that Xbox Live or PlayStation Network services are running smoothly. If these services are down, it can affect your ability to connect to Minecraft Realms. You can check the status on the official Xbox or PlayStation website. If these services are down, you might just have to wait until they're back up. Step 6. Disable third-party mods and texture packs. If you're using third-party mods or texture packs, they might be causing compatibility issues with Minecraft Realms. Disable all mods and texture packs, then try to connect to Realms again. If it works, you'll know the mods were the problem. Tip: only use mods and texture packs that are verified and compatible with the latest version of Minecraft. Step 7. Check your Microsoft account. Make sure your Microsoft account is properly set up and that you're signed in. Sometimes, issues with your account can prevent you from accessing Minecraft Realms. Verify that your account details are correct and that there are no security issues. Tip: consider relogging into your Microsoft account if you suspect any issues. Step 8. Check Minecraft permissions. Check the permissions for Minecraft on your device. Make sure the game has access to the necessary resources like your network, storage, and any other required permissions. This can sometimes be the culprit behind connection issues. Tip: on mobile devices, you can usually find these settings under the App Permissions section in your settings. Step 9. Use a VPN. If you're still having trouble, try using a VPN. Sometimes your connection to the Minecraft servers might be blocked or throttled by your ISP. A VPN can help bypass these restrictions and establish a stable connection. Tip: choose a reputable VPN service to ensure a secure and stable connection. Step 10. Reinstall Minecraft. If all else fails, reinstalling Minecraft could be your last resort. Uninstall the game from your device and then reinstall it. This can resolve any deep-rooted issues that might be affecting your game's performance. Tip: make sure to back up your game data before uninstalling to avoid losing any progress. And there you have it. Those are 10 ways to fix Minecraft Realms not working on Bedrock Edition. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up